So now let us see how to apply photo filters in an image right over here in Canva. So in order to do that, first of all, select the picture that is there on your canvas. And then on the top hand side, right besides the effects, you can see that there's filter. So let me just click on that. And over here, you're given with the filters that you can apply. So let's say, for example, you want to apply the summer filter. Simply click on summer and you can see that the picture has turned warm. And over here, along with the filter, you can choose the intensity as well. So you can increase the intensity or decrease the intensity as per your wish. Let me add in another filter like street right over here. And it turns the image black and white as you can see, and I can change the slider as well. I can do the same right over here. And as I choose the filters right over here, it overrides the other filter. So multiple filters aren't applied all together as effects, but they are applied individually as you can see. And this is it. So you can select a filter and change around the intensity of the filter right over here, just like this. And then as you like it, you just have to click outside and the filter will be applied to the image.